Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to see how you can log into your NFHS network account. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you have to do is open any kind of browser on your PC. I'm going to use Google Chrome. So after opening Google Chrome, what you're going to do is go to the search bar right here and start typing nfhsnetwork.com. So after typing that, now tap on the enter button on your keyboard and this will take you to the official website of NFHS Network. Here you can see we are on the official page right now, and all you have to do is click on this login button in order to get your login page. So after clicking on it, here you can see this is the login page, and now you have to type down your email address and your password of your NFHS network account. After typing down your email and your password, now click on the login button right here. And just like this, you can see you have now been successfully logged into your NFHS network account. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.